Honor has just recently introduced its new, highly anticipated laptop, the MagicBook Pro 16 2024 edition. This computer has been recently introduced alongside the global launch of the Honor 200 series that we were already familiar with. After its launch in China, it now has its global announcement, and along with it comes this laptop. Let me tell you its specifications. It weighs 1.79 kilograms and has a thickness of 19.9 mm. The screen is 16 inches as its name suggests, but note that it goes up to 165 Hz and its resolution is 3072 x 1920 pixels. The processor is the Intel Core Ultra 5. It's not the most powerful from Intel, but I think it's a very considerably good processor indeed. It has integrated graphics, so forget about dedicated graphics. But in this case, the computer offers two operating modes, one with 65 watts, which would be the highest mode to give a lot of power to the processor, and another balanced mode of 50 watts. The battery is 75 watt-hours and they promise it can last up to 12 hours. This computer has been presented in France at a price of Euro 1,299, but remember that prices here are not the same as those over there. This computer is expected to be launched in more regions soon, and we hope it will also arrive in Mexico so we can test it and share everything with you through a review.